Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we will discuss about identify nature of roots by discriminant. So let's start with today's video. Suppose they give you an equation like two x square minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. So first we know that our quadratic equation are in the forms of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we already learned various methods to find the roots, but there is one formula also to find the roots of the equation. The formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So with the help of this formula, you can find your two roots. How can we find two roots? In the first formula, you can write only the plus sign, and in the second, for the finding the second roots, you can write the minus sign. So let's learn how can we find the roots. So first, we have to find the discriminant in this case. So how can we find the discriminant? We can find the discriminant by this b square minus 4ac. So what is b here? Minus 5 square minus 4. What is a? Coefficient of x square, that is 2. And what is c? That constant, it is plus 2. So minus 5 square is 25. And here 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. That is greater than 0. That is our discriminant is greater than 0. So what does that mean? If your discriminant is greater than 0, then the nature of the roots is real and distinct roots. Now we find out the two roots for this equation. So first we put x is equals to minus b plus only, okay? And under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So what is the value of b? Minus 5, and it is already 5 minus, so it's minus 5 plus, we already find this value, that is 9. So under root 9 over 2a, 2 multiply 2. So we can write it as minus minus plus 5, and under root 9 is 3, it's the square root of 3, and over 4. 5 plus 3 is 8 over 4, that is 2. So one root is 2. Now find the second root, we put minus sign here. It is the value of b, minus 5 minus, and what is the value of under root b square minus 4ac? That is root 9 over 2 multiply 2. 5 minus 3 over 4. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 4. That is half. So what are our two roots? 2 and 1 over 2. So these are real and distinct roots because our discriminant is greater than 0. Now let's learn the next root. Suppose they give you an equation like this, x square plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. So our first step is to find the discriminant. So our equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Compare b square minus 4ac. b is coefficient of x, that is 6 square, minus 4 multiply a is coefficient of x square, that is 1. And c is that constant, that is 9. So 6 square is 36. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. That is d equals 0. In this case, if the d is equal 0, the roots are real and equal. So let's check if the roots are real and equal by the formula. Minus b plus, first we take addition, then we'll take that subtraction sign here. B square minus 4ac over 2a. So minus b is 6, so minus 6 plus b square minus 4ac we already calculate, that is 0. So plus 0 over 2a means coefficient of x square, that is 1. So minus plus 6 over 2, that is minus 3. Now find out the next. Minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a minus 6 minus 0 over 2 into 1, again minus 6 over 2, that is minus 3. As you can see, both the roots are real and both the roots are equal. For d is equals to 0, our roots are real and equal. Now check the next root. Suppose they give you equation x square plus 3x plus 4. First we compare this equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. First we find, next we find the step discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. B is coefficient of x, that is 3 square minus 4 multiply coefficient of x square multiply constant 4. 3 square is 9 and 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. 9 minus 16 is minus 7. That is less than 0. So if the discriminant is less than 0, that means our roots are non-real. Roots are non-real. That means our answer comes in terms of under root. So let's find the roots. First we find while taking addition sign. Minus b, that means minus 3 plus b square minus 4ac we already calculated, plus 7 over 2 into 1, it is minus 3 plus root 7 over 2. And the second root is by taking subtraction sign over 2a minus 3 minus root 7 over 2, that is minus 3 minus root 7 over 2. So these are the two roots for this equation and these roots are non-real. So what we learned from this video is if our d discriminant is greater than 0, our roots are real and distinct roots. And if our d is equals to 0, so our roots are real and equal roots. And if our discriminant is less than 0, so our roots are non-real. I hope you understand how to identify nature of roots and this video is useful. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.